Hello and welcome to the course Web Security for Enterprises Practical Training Part 1. So what we have covered in this course, and these are 7 sections in the course. So first we have started with the introduction to web security. Then we have learned the structure of modern web application, then how you can gather information about websites. Then we will learn about various kind of vulnerabilities. First, we will start with the injection vulnerability, how attackers can perform injection vulnerability, and then how you can secure it. Then we will learn about broken authentication vulnerability, and then how you can secure it. Next, we will learn about sensitive data exposure and its security. And finally, security for XXE or XML external entity vulnerability. So these are the topics we are going to cover. Now, if we talk about any prerequisite, so you should have basic IT skills, that how you can install the software. You should have a system with minimum 4 GB RAM, and you need to install Windows 10 and Kali Linux. So these are the prerequisite. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much, and I'll see you inside the course.